Hi friends, welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here to explain you 25 important general awareness questions which are helpful for your CMAT exam. In these 25 questions, I have compiled all the topics like geography, history, economics, polity, books and authors, sports, everything. Before going into the video, I would like to explain you about the mock test we are providing. We are providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website krako.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let's see the first question. Laho is the traditional dance of which of the following states? Laho is the traditional dance of Meghalaya state. This northeastern state is famous for its music, dance, and other traditions like festivals, etc. Gaudiya Nritya is a dance form of which state? It is the dance form of West Bengal state. It is also called as Gauriya Nritya. Chira is the traditional dance of which of the following states? Chira is the traditional dance of Mizoram state, and it is consisting of 6 to 8 people, 8 pair of people holding bamboo sticks and another people holding the bamboo sticks horizontally on the floor. Who has started Save Narmada movement in 1905 for the first time? Save Narmada movement was started by the activist Medha Patekar. This movement is also called as Narmada Bachao Andolan. The main aim is against the construction of large dams built across the river Narmada. During the reign of Iltutmish, special slaves were purchased for the military service it is known as Bandagan in Persian language. Ashoka converted to which religion after the Kalinga War? Ashoka was converted to Buddhism after Kalinga War. Friends, Krako is providing previous papers of CMAT. Please do visit our website krako.in and download these papers for your reference. With which sports is Yelena Isinbayeva related to? She is related to pole vault and she has won 2 gold medals in Olympics and 3 times world champion. The T20 Cricket League launched by Cricket South Africa is T20 Global League. To display the contents of a folder in Windows Explorer, we have to click on it. Which shipyard has the largest shipbuilding as well as maintenance facility in India? Cochin Shipyard has the largest shipbuilding as well as maintenance facility in India. It is a part of line of maritime related facilities in port city of Kochi.
We at Krako provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Kutir Jyoti scheme of central government aims at Kutir Jyoti scheme of central government aims at providing electricity to BPL and low income groups in rural areas. In order to improve the quality of life of rural families, including Harijans and Adivasis, who are considered as the people below poverty line. This has been launched in the year 1988 to 89. Which part of the constitution deals with elections? 15th part of constitution deals with election. Article 324 of 15th part of constitution deals with elections. The minimum age for becoming a member of Rajya Sabha is? The minimum age for becoming a member of Rajya Sabha is 30 years. Friends, Krako is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which city in India is called as City of Destiny? Visakhapatnam is called as City of Destiny. It is also called as Jewel of the East Coast. The Khandala Hill Station is located in. The Khandala Hill Station is located in Maharashtra. It is popular for hiking tours and for the panoramic view of Sahyadri range. Of Western Ghats. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, the architectural work of Le Corbusier is in. It is in Chandigarh. It is a government compound. It is spread over 100 acres and it is a prime manifestation of Chandigarh's architecture. Ad valorem tax is levied on which quantity? It is levied on value and it is imposed on the basis of monetary value of the tax item. Monetary value of tax item.
The secret to crack CAT is taking a lot of mocks. If you simply Google Cracku free CAT mocks, you can find 3 mocks in the latest exam pattern. You can attempt them and get a detailed analysis of your performance along with comprehensive explanations to each question.
Banks in India were nationalized for the first time in the year. Banks in India were nationalized for the first time in the year 1969. The first bank which was nationalized is RBI. Along with RBI, 14 other banks were nationalized. The Mandal Commission case is related to. The Mandal Commission case is related to reservation in government employment. It is also called as Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Commission. Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Commission. And it was established in the year 1979 by Prime Minister Morarji Desai. Invisible export means export of. Invisible export means export of services like banking, advertising, etc. It is like the export doesn't include the tangible objects, goods, commodities and other manufacturing products. Friends, Cracku is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Apollo Hospitals tied up with which pharma firm? Apollo Hospitals has tied up with Sanofi Pharma firm. The aim behind this tie-up is to expand Apollo Sugar clinics which provide integrated diabetes programs for better management. Ranbaxy Laboratories was acquired by. Ranbaxy Laboratories were acquired by Sun Pharmaceuticals. Rail is the currency of. It is the currency of Cambodia. The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. What is the capital of Georgia? Tbilisi is the capital of Georgia and Georgia is located at the intersection of Europe and Asia. Tbilisi is known for its diverse architecture and cobblestone streets of its old town. Indian Petroleum Institute is situated in which city? It is situated in Dehradun city. It was constructed in the year 1960. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.